These weren't here last year, Dad. No. So I'm gonna make a line. I got another roll in me. Hot dang, it took me an hour to get that because my toys from the last arcade are still fresh in my pocket. I need bags. And then whichever one plays with me, I will improvise after that. They're all gonna be $1, except the little ones will be $2. At least this one has fidgets in it. Did I get a fidget? I think I did. This is why everywhere I go I take multiple rolls of quarters, if you haven't noticed. Look, I got a skeleton. See that, Ed? That's cool. Here, just put this down here. It'll be easier. I'm going to use all these, then I'll start my other quarter roll. There's a line on that side. Look at that happy face. So I got $1 left on this side of the world. Come on. Sweet, they all worked. I'll get my picture in a minute. I'm playing all because I'm going to cover them because I won't be here tomorrow, you know? Get it? Okay, now watch this. Now I have to dig down deep. I'll put those in my pocket in a minute. Can you do me a favor and open that, please? And I will switch these out. It's just Mom asking where we're at.
I texted Mom. She's waiting for me back.
Never would have imagined they'd have machines here. What did she say? Here, can I see the quarter roll? Thank you. No to what?
Let me see it.
I just need 150. Like $2? I don't know. Hate math. Now I know to come here every year. We should go to the laundromat too. Yeah. I haven't played all those. Thank you. I just need one more.
There you go.
And then I'll need $1.50 down there, and then that'll be it. And then I'll need my pictures. That one could have turned better. Huh. Do you have the $1 out? Thank you. So we'd have to come back if I didn't come prepared. I got a popsicle, sweet.
$1?
I need $1, yes, and then after that I'll be done. Here, just put it in my hand. Thank you. Everybody has a good stuff machine. Huh. And then a diamond. This is the last toy machine, so it's probably gonna steal my money. Oh wow, they all bloody worked. Huh. And I got a blue diamond, wow. And if you want candy, oh look, that guy you can't play because there's gum in him.